Okay, in the last class, we learned about how to tabulate the data. So first it was in raw data form. That data is converted into tabular form. After converting into the tabular form, this one we can be used for further calculation purpose. Or with this data can be used to represent it. So this data we can be represented in the form of a picture. So this picture, the picture we wanted to learn how to represent these data. So that one we can call it as what? Bar chart. This data is converted into bar chart. How to converting this table into bar chart? Let us study now. Okay. Look at this. Here you should have to draw two lines. This one we can call it as vertical line. This line we can call it as horizontal line. This horizontal line we can call it as x-axis. This vertical line we can call it as y-axis. Here in a graph, this y-axis we can call it as value axis. So y-axis we also call it as value axis. This x-axis we also call it as category axis. Category axis. So this one we can call it as value axis. This one we can call it as category axis. Next, what we should have to know. Next here we should have to be we should be selecting scale. This is very important to selecting the scale. So how to select the scale? How to choose the scale? Which scale suits for this table? Look at this value. Least value is 2. Maximum value is 6. The values will be lies in between 1 and 10. 1 and 10. The values will be lies in between 1 and 10. Then you should have to choose the scale like this. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. If the values are lies in between 1 to 10, then 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. As per this example, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1 student. Each centimeter represents 1 student. What you written here, that will convert it into scale. Okay. If the values, if the frequency is lies in between 1 to 100, so then what the scale you should have to choose here? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. It means everything should be comes in 10 by 10 size. That's why we chosen the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. If the values are lies in between 1 and 1000, then we can choose the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 100 units. So this type of scales we should have to choose for the representation of the data. So while drawing the bar chart, first we should have to decide the scale and write at the top right corner. Now this is the chart and this is the bar chart we are going to draw. Here at the right hand top side top, we should have to mention the scale. Scale we should have to write. So then we should write like this. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 student. First to choose the scale and represent it. So then on the value axis or y-axis, first centimeter, second centimeter, third centimeter, fourth centimeter, fifth, sixth, seventh. Now this become 1, this become 2, this become 3, 4, 5, 6, then it becomes 7. So this represents what? Number of students. This axis we written as what? Number of students. This represents number of students. Is it clear? Next to this one is represents what? Vehicle. So or what we can write? This represents vehicle. Okay, this one we can call it as category axis. So now look at this. we chosen the first, we should have drawn it two lines. This is horizontal and this is vertical. This one we can take it as a what? Value axis. This one we can take it as a category axis. Then we should have to be mentioned. Now for every 1 centimeter, you mark like this, or you use mark at every 2 centimeter. So this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, this is 8, this is 10. So for every 2 centimeters, you mark like this. Next what to do? Choose this data. Now bus. How many students are come by bus? 6 students are there. So how to draw the line? Now this is the first, second 2 centimeter. You take half centimeter, means 0.5 lines. So you count the lines with the help of a scale. 5 small lines you count it, mark it. Here also you should be marked like this, or look at this board. You should have to do like this. Keep it in a proper way. Then you should have to be marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Small lines you count it. It should be less than 1 centimeter. Okay. So then here I draw line like this. Then I mark 2 small dots on the line. Then I draw straight line. It should be perpendicular to this axis. How many centimeter? 6 centimeter. So I am drawing the line like this. Okay, this is the first line, this is second line, like this. So how many centimeters? This is 6 centimeter. So what it represents? This represents bus. This represents bus. Okay. The next one is what? The students come by what is there? Again, from the 4th centimeter, you take half centimeter at right side, half centimeter at the left side. You mark it. Like this. Then what is the length? This is become 3 centimeter long. So you should have to be draw like this. Then close it. Next one is what by car. How many centimeters? 5 centimeters. Half centimeter mark at the left and right side of the 6th centimeter. 1 and 2. Then you draw. What's the length? This length is 5 centimeters. Next one is bicycle is 4 centimeters. Bicycle is how? 4 centimeters. Okay, the last one is by how many centimeters? The length will be 2 centimeters. So look at this, you mark half centimeter at the right, you mark half centimeter at the left, and draw 2 centimeters. Okay, look at this. All the bars are ready. Okay, look at this. The first bar represents bus. Second bar represents walk. Third bar represents car. Fourth bar represents bicycle. Okay, the last one is represents bike. So I written like this. Understood? So what's the speciality here? Which are the points we should have to be keep in mind? depending upon the data present in the table, that scale we should have to be choose. That I explained previously. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 student. So this y-axis we can call it as value axis. It represents number of persons. Now, by seeing this table, we should have to draw like this. So this one we can become, this represent bus. This represent how many centimeters? 6 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 2 centimeters. So now look at this. When the bar chart is become perfect, the width of the bar, this one we can call it as width of the bar. Every width of the bar will be the same, and the distance between the two bars should be same. It should not be a differ. If it is a differ in the width, then it is become bar. Height of the bar is dependent upon the values in the tables. So this width, the width of the bar should be same throughout the bar. This should not be a change. All the bars are equal width, and the distance between the two bars should be same. Then only we can call it as this one as a bar chart. Otherwise, you are losing the marks. This one is thick, this one is thin, this is fatter, the distance is more or less. If you do like that, definitely you are losing marks. So this is what we can call as a bar chart. These points you should know. The first one is you draw perpendicular line like this. This is horizontal line, vertical line, x-axis, y-axis, category axis or value axis. This is height of the bar, width of the bar, distance between the bar, then it's the scale. So by knowing all these things, this data is represented with the help of the picture. This type of picture we call it as a bar chart. So you in the 5th standard, you go to this one, take an exercise in the page number 238. In the page number 238, second problem. You first take down the data, convert it into tabular form, then it is converted into bar chart. Okay, I hope you understand. Keep all these points in your mind before you draw the bar chart. Okay, thank you.